Following the shaping of the iron plate for the electric fireplace, it's carefully hung on a 200-meter conveyor line for the critical phase of powder coating. This application process aims to secure a refreshingly smooth and enduring surface. Post-coating, the plate is moved into a high-temperature curing oven. The intense heat bakes the powder into the plate, boosting its heat resistance and durability. After baking, the iron plate enters a stringent quality control stage, where all potential inconsistencies are noted. Then grinding experts diligently smooth and polish these areas to ensure an immaculate finish. Finally, after all these detailed processes, the high-quality electric fireplace iron plate proceeds down the assembly line for final inspection to meet the market's demand for top-tier electric fireplaces. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.